Today, as I'm recording this video, the time is 11:17 a.m. but I've already made $306 from affiliate marketing just from this one platform. And this is a total sale. I've made gross sale, and this is mine. And these are the number of clicks that I've had on my products. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business strategy where you don't need to create your own product. You just need to go to a company that is already having best-selling product, that is having amazing product. You go to that company, you apply there, get a link from them. Now go on social media and then you share that link. As you share that link, people click on that link and buy that product. Then that company is going to give you a commission for referring that person to their business. And so you don't need to create any product. You don't need to do any special thing. It's something that anybody can start doing. So in this video today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide that you can start today and start making money. I'm going to show you where to get the product, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can start promoting the product. So the method I'm going to be showing you, you can take affiliate link from any platform and you'll still be able to make money because it's a process that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So I'm just going to use one affiliate platform and show you everything so you can replicate it. You can use it on any other platform. And the good thing about businesses is that when you've learned a skill, you've already understood how to do it. You can create many different affiliate platforms and then you can go ahead and promote them. So the platform I'm going to be using as an example is ClickBank. So I just want you to go to ClickBank. If you don't have an account, then you go ahead. Don't click here where it says start here because it's going to bring you some weird things. Just go ahead and click here where it says log in and then scroll down here and then click here to create an account. Then you go ahead and fill in all this information and then you'll be able to create an account for free. So after you've created your new account, I want you to come here and click where it says affiliate marketplace. You click here just like this. And now it's going to bring you here. So one of the things that is interesting here is that they have top offers, they have new offers. So you can come here and check all the new offers that they have and all the top offers that they have. I prefer to come here where it says top offer. These are people who are already promoting these products and making money. So promote this product, you are going to make $136 from one sale. You promote this one, you are going to make $137 from one sale. This one is $158, $161. You can just keep going and you'll be able to see the amount of money that you make for promoting these products. Now, one thing that I want you to take note of here is that when you come here, you see gravity score. The gravity score just shows the number of people who are promoting this product and making money with this product. Now, you can just scroll. The higher the gravity score, the more people are promoting it, the more people are making money with that product. Now you can see that the gravity score here is very high compared to this one. So if you want to choose a product here, and this one is higher compared to this. So if you want to choose a product between these two, then maybe you go with this. So one thing that I want you to remember is that the higher the price, then maybe many people are not going to be willing to pay for that product. Because if you are making this amount of money, it means that the price of the product is very high. But you also have to look at it to see if the commission is paid once, or if it's a rebuild thing. So like this one, it says that rebuild. So for future rebuild, they are going to be rebuilding this amount of money. So you just look at all that detail and see which one you think is best for you. So now let's say we have decided that we are going to go with this one. You can go with anyone depending on your niche, depending on the kind of product you want to promote. So let's go with this one. I'm not sure what the product is all about. So now it says it try here. They have a video here. They have here special introductory offers. You now just go ahead and study the product. For me, I'm not going to promote any product that I don't know the details. I'm just showing you the entire process. And so you can look at the prices, just look at it and then see what the product is all about. But looking at it, you see that it has a very good landing page. So this is something that people are going to click on. They are going to see when you are promoting. And now look at these ones. They have this guaranteed. See, it's talking about 100%. Like it is good. Just take your time, read it. So, and it say yes, just $79. All you have to do is to refer people to this product. And so now when they click on it and they buy the product, then you are going to get a sale. See, I have here 100% money back guarantee. These are some of the things that are attractive to customers. And so just take your time, study the product, and then see if it's something that you want to promote. Now, after you are done, you've decided that, okay, this is the product I want to go with. You can also just come here, take screenshots of the pages, and then also see if they have promotional materials that you can take. Now, let's just assume that we are going to promote this product. So I can just come here and take a screenshot of this, just like that, because I'm going to use it on my product. So now this one that looks very attractive, I can just take a screenshot of it. And also you can go in details to study the product well to see if they have promotional materials, and then you are going to use that. So now that we've decided on the product, you are going to come here, click here on promote product. So when you click here, see they're asking you to put affiliate nickname. Let me now show you how to get this affiliate nickname. So you can come here and click here on your profile. You go here on your profile right here, and then you see account right here. Now you click on account right here, and you say create a nickname. You go ahead and click here, and then you are going to put your nickname here. This is unique to everybody, so put anything that you think you are going to be able to remember. You really don't need to remember it, but you just go ahead and put your nickname just like that, and then you are going to just go ahead and sign up, and you create your nickname here. So after you've created your nickname, you copy your nickname, and then you now go back to the product you want to promote. Just click here like that, and when you click there, now you put your nickname here. And when you put your nickname here, you go here and continue. Now, this is the link that you are going to use to promote your product. This is the unique link that you are going to use. Go ahead and copy that link, and then I'm going to show you the next step. Now, the next step that we are going to do is that we are going to create a blog post. So after we create that blog post, I'll show you how to post that blog post on newsletters that you can start promoting today and be able to start making money, because people are going to read that blog post, and then they are going to click on your affiliate link. And when they click on your affiliate link, they are going to buy that product. So the amazing thing is that you are using somebody's blog post that they have been creating for a very long period of time. They have developed an audience that are looking for this product. And now, because they have developed that audience, that audience trusts this platform. When you go now and put your post in front of that audience, then that is how they are going to click and buy, and you'll be able to start making money immediately. So now go ahead, and I'm going to have a Shopify link down below. When you sign on that link, you are going to have 3 months where you pay just $1. Within that 3 months, you would have already seen how your business is doing. You would have already seen how much money you are making, right? So go ahead and put your email here, and then just go ahead and click on free trial just like that. And now continue and fill in all your information, and now you are going to create your account. So after you create your account, it's going to bring you here. If you are having any difficulties creating your account, I've already created this video walking you through step by step how to create your account. So when you are here, what I want you to do is to click here where it says online store. Now you click here where it says blog post just like this. Now, since it's your first blog that you are going to be creating, you just come here and then click create blog. So now what I want us to do, I just want us to first of all just paste this our link here just to keep it. But now I'm going to show you what to do next. So you can come back now to this product that we have right here. Since they already have so much material, they have some information, you can come here and just copy what this product is all about, and just go here, copy this information just like this. Then now take it to ChatGPT. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an open AI platform. You can just go to OpenAI and create an account, and now paste it right here. Go back and copy and paste any useful information that you see on the blog. So you don't need to organize anything on ChatGPT. We are just taking the material that they have, and we want to use it now for our blog post. So I'm just going to copy like this. Now I'm done with this. I can close it, and I'm just going to paste it here. So now I'll ask ChatGPT to rewrite this article and make it captivating. So now I've made it, and then I'm just going to click enter, and ChatGPT is now going to write this article for us. If you look at it, ChatGPT is doing an amazing job. So after ChatGPT is done writing our article, we are now going to copy this blog post and now take it back to Shopify. So ChatGPT has done an amazing job. This is our article that ChatGPT has written. what we are going to do is that we are going to come here, just copy our article like this. So now that we have our article, let's go back now to our blog post, and we are just going to come here and we are going to put our article here. So this link that I told us to keep here, you can now copy the link just like this. So what I want you to do is that go now here, everywhere where they are talking about that product, the name of that product, this is it here, right here, you just highlight it. So now you paste your article like this. You just look through your article. Of course, make sure you read it just to make sure that it's something that you are happy putting out there, because it's your own business that you are building. So you don't want to take some other person's business and destroy your business. So you have to make sure that everything you put on your blog post is something you like to show out there. So now you come here, everywhere where you have the name, you just highlight it. You come here to this link, and then you go ahead, you paste the link just like that, and then you insert the link. You see how it is. You go ahead and do the same thing throughout the entire post. So you see here, we have it here and we have it here. So you have to do it throughout. So now another thing that you can do is that you can just go ahead and insert the pictures that we screenshot, right? You can just come here, add photo, and then go to any of the photos that you want. Okay, so this is one of the photos that we took. You just go ahead and upload it like this. You take the photo and then you make it like this. It's going to appear here. So you now see how your article look. You can go ahead and put as many pictures as you want, just to make sure that the blog post is very attractive. So this is it. Now the next thing I want you to do is to come here, click here where it says visibility. You have to click on that, and then come here, make sure you have default blog post here. Now you put a title for your blog. So this is a title right here. I'm just going to copy this title and then I'm going to put it here. So we have our title here for the blog. So after you are done with everything, you click here on save, just like that, and everything has been saved. Now the next thing I want you to do is just to copy this blog post and now share it. After you are here, I want you to come here to say where it says more action. You can go ahead and click on view, and then you'll be able to see your blog post just like this. Now you see everything that you have. The next thing that I want you to do, if you click here, it's going to take you directly to the product. Let's just click so you can see. You see that it takes you directly to that product. So that's what your customers are going to see. When they click here, it's going to take them there. And when they buy it, you are going to get a commission. So this video is going to attract them. But now what I want you to do is that you just come here to the top here, and then you copy this link. So this is the link that you are now going to share, so that people can click and then come to your blog post to click and then go to that product. So now I'm going to show you how to share this link. Now you can share it anywhere, but one of the easiest thing that you can do is just to go to Fiverr. I'm going to put the link of some people that I have used down below, so that it will be easier for you to just contact them. To put the ones that are doing well, the ones that are cheap. Now let's say this person is promoting blogs, right? You can just come now and then contact them. See, you are just going to continue, and then you are going to pay $5. Now when you pay that $5, you are going to give your link to them. They are going to share this link to their audience. Now they are going to write their own blog post. In their blog post, they are going to put your link. They are going to share your link. And so they already have thousands of subscribers that they have been building for years. And so that means that you are going to take this product and put directly in front of their customers, directly in front of their audience. And so those people will read that article now, click, and then they'll be able to buy your product. And when you do that, that is how easily you can start making money from affiliate marketing. So I'm currently creating an affiliate marketing course showing everything you need to know how I'm making money with affiliate marketing. And I know that this course is going to be transformative. So if you are interested, it's currently 60% off. You can go ahead and check in the description box down below. We are going to pre-order that course. And if you want to ever contact me for any reason, you have any struggles, go ahead and send me an email. You can go ahead and book an appointment with me. I'm going to have every information that you need to know in the description box down below. So if you are struggling with your Shopify shop and you don't know what to do, I've already created this video that is showing you step by step how to create your Shopify shop. You can go ahead and follow that video and you are going to learn everything you need to know. So I'm going to see you in that video. To let me know that you watched this video up to this point, I want you to go ahead and put in the comment section that this year is my year to overcome and flourish. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down.